Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can see your archive story on Facebook. So archive story means every story you have uploaded on your Facebook, if you have not deleted it, is going to be shown on the story archive. So it's like seeing the history of your story on Facebook. Now let me show you guys how you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the menu option at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you're in the menu section, at the bottom of your screen, you can see this option called Settings and Privacy. You want to click on Settings and Privacy, and at the top over here you can click on Settings. Now once you click on Settings, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called Activity Log. It's going to be under your activity, and if you don't see Activity Log at the top, there's this search option. Click on it and just search for ACTIVITY Activity Log. Once you do that, it should be displayed over here, which you can just click. Alright, but in my case I see it over here, so I will click on Activity Log, and once I'm over here at the top, you can see this option called Archive. You want to click on Archive, and once you're inside the archive section, you can see this option called Story Archive. You can click on Story Archive and it's going to show you your stories archive just like this. So that's how you guys can see your story archive on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.